In this tutorial, you are going to learn how to change Microsoft Word language so that you can take advantage of features such as a spell checker in your language. Open Microsoft Word, and in the Tabs menu at the top, you will need to click on the Review tab. In the new options that appear, you will see the Language icon. Click on this, and in the menu, click on Set Proofing Language. This will open the Language window. In this window, you need to select the language that you want to change the system to. In this example, we are changing it from English United States to English United Kingdom. Select English UK from the list and click the Set as Default button, and in the dialog box that appears, click Yes, and then click OK to close the language window and save the settings. To make sure that we successfully change the language, let's type in a word that is spelt differently in the UK, colour. As you can see, it tells us that the US spelling of the word is incorrect, and this is how to change Microsoft Word language.